In today's presentation, I'm going to show you why positivity is absolutely essential to happiness. Ask yourself this question. Have you ever met a happy person who's also a downer at the same time? If you have, then chances are that person really wasn't all that happy to begin with. If there's one thing happy people have in common, it's that they're brimming with positivity. They live their lives to the fullest. They don't let negativity drag them down. Their enthusiasm is truly contagious. They light up a room simply because they're there. On the other hand, if you've ever had the pleasure of being in the same room with unhappy folks, you'll notice how quickly the mood darkens with all the negative talk. So, you see, if you want to be happy, you need to start reining in your thoughts and work on thinking positively. Happiness is a state of mind. You don't need to be blessed with material riches. You can be poor financially, but still live a more fulfilling life than many wealthy people. Happiness comes from within. Positive thinking also obviously comes from within you. So if you start cleansing your thoughts and replacing your negative thoughts with positive ones, then you're going to end up in a much better place. For instance, if you're constantly comparing yourself to other people, you'll never be satisfied. There will always be someone better looking than you. There will always be people who will have more money than you, and the list goes on. Don't let jealousy get the best of you. Instead, try to be happy at other people's successes. Use them as inspiration to become better, not bitter. You'll have bad days, that's for sure. But with a positive attitude, you'll get over it quickly. You're not going to let your bad day turn into a bad week or even a bad month. You'll find a way to get over the hump quickly. You can't get rid of negative things from happening, but you can control your reaction to it. Don't let it affect you too much. With a positive mindset, you can look beyond the clouds and search for the silver lining. And that's how happy people succeed, by being positive, optimistic, and resilient.